Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a two-page layout for Christmas. It will be in Christmas Scrapbook 8 once it's posted to my website. In the meantime, I will post the Design Space link below this video so you can copy it if you like the layout. Please subscribe below too, then you'll get notices when I do a new video. All right, let's begin. I have two 4x6 photos and a 5x7 that I'm using on this page. And I have chosen paper. I don't know where this came from. I know I bought it recently this year. So anyway, I'm using this paper. And then this one is from this pad, Safe Freeze by Recollections at Michael's. This I use for a frame. And then the background is Authentique Jolly Christmas. So I've got a striped pattern, a mini print, and a medium print going on here. Okay, so I have a 6-inch block that I've cut for this corner and another one for this corner. And then out of the same paper, I'm putting a border across here. So it will be, the ends will be covered with something. It just connects the pages. Anyway, okay, so I cut a pretty frame for this photo right here for the 5x7. So I did a mat for this. So I'm going to tape this. You really don't need a lot of this Creative Memories tape. It's so good. So we'll put that on here. Alrighty. And now I'm going to mat these two photos on this large mat that I've made for I find if I do this, the pages aren't quite as busy, and I have more room for, I have a lot more room for my Cricut images to make the page fun and pretty. I think I also like, it's just not as busy. So this will tuck under here, and this tucks under there. We're good. Now the images that I'm using are presents because it's Christmas morning. So I found this image to put here and a holly image to put up in this corner. I am going to put some lifters on the presents and the holly. And then on this side I did a tree. I like this tree. And now I'm adding another, a present here and a holly image for this side as well. Now I'm not quite, I don't like this at the bottom here, these two in the middle of nowhere. So I looked through and I found these Christmas borders in Creative Memories Christmas Spirit. This collection is from this year. And so the back page here has borders. So I was thinking I would use this along the bottom. It looks heavy enough to hold the weight of these images. I did try to, first of all, I tried to do, a floral border punch. This is poinsettias. And because it was so airy, it looked terrible on the striped paper, and I had no way to fill in the background of it. So I had to go looking through my stash to find something else. And this is what I'm gonna go with, like that. So I'll put this down here, and then this can go on top. And my tree now has something to stand on, and my present as well. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm liking this. So I'm going to put some gems on this tree, some clear and red and maybe pearls to decorate this tree a little bit more, and then I may put a few on the holly, but other than that, I'm liking the way this page is. So a very short video for this one. Thank you for watching.